Now this is another short video tutorial about a geometric shape, and now this problem is they're asking that this is 45-degree angle, and now what is the value of x. So we need to find out the value of x. So here 3x's, you can clearly see this is 3x's. So angle of this axis, we need to find out the value of x. So we all know that if this is 45-degree and now add it to all of this 3 degrees, so we get 360 degrees. So that is so we need to solve a equation. So make a equation. So 45-degree plus this is 3 equation 3x's 1 2 3 3x is equal to 360 degree. So both of side we need to minus 45 degree 45 45. So both of side I'm going to minus from 45. So get 3x by 315. So now divide both of side by 3. So we get x is equal to 105. So this is the right answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe.